In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Onenote to summarize notes and create action items. To get started, make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft 365 account with Copilot access. Open your notebook in OneNote and look for the Copilot button in the Home tab, or as an option that appears on the page. If you don't see it, confirm you're using a Copilot-enabled subscription and that you're on a supported version of OneNote. Head to the page that contains the notes you want to work with. You can summarize an entire page or just a specific section. If you only need a portion summarized, highlight that text first. This gives Copilot a tighter focus and often leads to a cleaner result. Open Copilot by clicking the Copilot button on the ribbon to bring up the Copilot pane. In some versions, when you highlight text, a small Copilot icon appears right next to your selection for quick actions. Either route works the same. Choose whichever feels faster for you. In the Copilot Compose box, ask for a summary. You can say, "Summarize this page," "Summarize my meeting notes and list the key points," or "Give me bullet points of the main ideas," and then click Send. Copilot will generate a concise summary based on your page or selection. If the tone or length isn't quite right, refine your prompt by asking for a shorter or more detailed version, or by specifying the audience, like for executives or for a class recap. You can paste the result onto your page, keep it in the pane for reference, or save it below your original notes for quick context. Now let's create action items from those same notes. With the Copilot pane open, or after highlighting a relevant section, activate Copilot via the ribbon or the on-page icon. In the Compose box, prompt it with something like, "Extract a to-do list from these notes." List the action items from this meeting and format as tasks, or create a checklist of follow-ups based on this section, and click Send. Copilot will return a clear task list you can copy into your page. From there, you can convert items into OneNote checkboxes, add owners, due dates, or priority tags, and adjust the wording to match your team's style. If any tasks look vague, ask Copilot to make them more specific or time-bound so they're easier to act on. That's it. With a few targeted prompts, Copilot in OneNote helps you quickly summarize information and turn your notes into organized, actionable lists you can use right away.